beneath the vast frozen expanse of Antarctica's ice shelves, where sunlight never reaches and temperatures plummet to -2 degrees Celsius. A surprising array of life thrives in conditions once thought uninhabitable. Let's dive into the hidden world of life under Antarctic ice, exploring the creatures that call this extreme environment home. Researchers found a life-filled boulder deep beneath the Filchneron ice shelf in 2021. Cameras found sponges and 22 unknown animals clinging to rocks 260 kilometers from the sea. These filter feeders likely survive on nutrients swept by currents from distant sunlit seas. Up to 1,500 kilometers away, a study reveals a surprising, vibrant food web thriving far from sunlight. A 2022 expedition found a hidden river under the Ross ice shelf filled with drilled through 1,640 feet of ice. Cameras captured these creatures thriving in a cathedral-like cavern, feeding on organic carbon possibly carried by glacial meltwater. This ecosystem found hundreds of kilometers from open ocean. Hints at nutrient-rich currents sustaining life in isolation, with implications for understanding icy moons like Europa. In Lake Mercer, a subglacial lake buried under 600 meters of West Antarctic ice, scientists found bacterial life at 10,000 cells per milliliter in 2019. These microbes, surviving on carbon deposits from 5,000 to 10,000 years ago, form a unique ecosystem likened to a wetland beneath the ice. This discovery, led by polar ecologist John Priscu, suggests Antarctica's 400 subglacial lakes could harbor diverse microbial communities, offering clues to life on Mars or other icy worlds. The Ekstrom ice shelf revealed another surprise in 2018, when researchers bored through 200 meters of ice and found 77 species, including bryozoans and tube-feeding worms, living 100 meters below the seafloor. Carbon dating showed some have persisted for 5,800 years, thriving on sparse nutrients in a stable, undisturbed habitat. This biodiversity, richer than open-shelf ecosystems, underscores the resilience of life in darkness. When iceberg A84 broke from the George VI ice shelf in January 2025, scientists explored the newly exposed seafloor and found vibrant ecosystems at depths up to 1,300 meters. Large corals, sponges, icefish, giant sea spiders, and octopuses flourished, sustained by nutrients from glacial meltwater or ocean currents. This discovery, part of the Challenger 150 initiative, highlights how life adapts to centuries of isolation under ice. These findings from the Filchneron to subglacial lakes reveal a hidden world of resilience, with implications for extraterrestrial life.